Welcome back to Auto Vibe, the channel where innovation meets the open road. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just redefine what a motorhome can be, but also sets a new standard for Scandinavian luxury on wheels. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome commands attention. Its design is unmistakably bold yet elegantly refined. The body is sculpted with fluid lines, painted in a deep glossy finish that makes every curve and edge stand out. At the front, Volvo's iconic grille and signature vertical LED lighting announce its presence with confidence. The massive panoramic windows stretch across the body, connecting the outside world with the experience inside. It feels futuristic, but it also carries that timeless Volvo identity we've come to know and respect. Step to the side, and you'll notice how the design blends practicality with elegance. Hidden storage compartments, clean aerodynamic shaping, and chrome accents keep the silhouette sharp and uncluttered. Even parked, the Volvo Motorhome looks like it's in motion, sleek, powerful, and purposeful. Inside is where Volvo truly takes things to another level. The cabin has been designed with the philosophy of Scandinavian minimalism, but elevated with golden luxury touches. Step through the automatic door and you're welcomed by a compact lounge finished in white vegan leather with golden stitching. It's not oversized, but it feels intimate and premium. A small golden trimmed coffee table sits between the seats, while panoramic windows flood the space with light. The kitchen is a testament to Volvo's attention to detail. Compact, yes, but brilliantly designed. White cabinetry with golden handles open smoothly, revealing hidden storage. The countertop has subtle golden veining, and the induction cooktop blends seamlessly into the surface. It's efficient, stylish, and built for travelers who want both function and finesse. Further back, the sleeping area features a single bed setup, perfect for a solo traveler or minimalist couple. The bed is finished with white and gold linens, built into an alcove with ambient lighting that gives it a warm glow. Overhead cabinets are sleek and unobtrusive, continuing the theme of space efficiency without sacrificing comfort. The bathroom is perhaps the biggest surprise. Unlike the sharp, high-tech look you'd find in Tesla's Approach, Volvo has gone for soft curves and Scandinavian warmth. A rounded shower pod with frosted smart glass doors and golden rainfall fixtures sits in the corner. A compact vanity, with a circular basin and oval smart mirror, feels refined yet practical. It's compact, but the design makes it feel luxurious and unique. A bathroom that truly belongs to Volvo's vision of mobility. And of course, underneath all this luxury lies Volvo's engineering strength. Built on a next-generation electric platform, the 2026 Motorhome offers strong range, fast charging capabilities, and the kind of safety systems that have defined the Volvo brand for decades. It's not just about where this motorhome can take you, but how confidently and safely it gets you there. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. A blend of sustainability, luxury, and Scandinavian design brought together in a way that no other brand could pull off. That wraps up today's feature here on Auto Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Volvo's vision for the future of travel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Until next time, drive safe and travel well.